Hello everyone, how are you? I'm so good, hope you all good. In my previous video, I have told you the basic information of direct and indirect speech. In this video, I'm going to tell you the 4 types of sentences converting direct to the indirect speech. What are they? Assertive type, imperative type, interrogative type is nothing but a question type, and here again the interrogative is divided into 2 types. What are they? Informative and confirmative. What is informative type? In this type, the questions require an explanation. For example, what are you doing? I am teaching. Such type of questions comes under informative. And here, confirmative. We can simply call it as yes or no type of questions. Okay? For example, do you like chocolates? Yes. I can simply answer it by saying yes or no. Such type of questions comes under confirmative type. And lastly, exclamatory type. Tick. Firstly, assertive type. These are the sentences that make statements that may be positive, negative, true or false. There are some rules to convert assertive statement to the indirect speech. What are they? First rule, changing the reporting verb. Here, if the reporting verb contains said, it will remain as same as said. If the reporting verb contains said to, it will be changed as told. Say to tell. Says to tells in indirect speech. And the second thing is to remove inverted commas that must be used. Okay, to remove inverted commas that must be taken. Third thing is change of pronoun according to the reporting speech. Here the pronoun will be changed according to the subject and object in the reporting speech. And the fourth thing is changing tense. Fifth thing is change in time related word. If you solve an example, it will be clear. Okay, here we go. Firstly, how to identify whether it is in direct speech or indirect speech. Direct speech is always enclosed in inverted commas, so we can easily say that it is in direct speech. Now we can convert this into indirect speech. Now, Rajesh said to Rani, I gave you this book last night. What is Rajesh here? Rajesh is subject. What is Rani here? Rani is object. What is I? First person. You is second person. Okay, now you convert it into indirect speech. Observe rules, all the rules. Okay, now Rajesh, what is the first rule? Said to will be changed as told. Rajesh told Rani. What is the second rule? To remove inverted commas we should use that. Okay, just leave it here. What is the third rule? Changing of pronouns. Here I is the first person, that refers to Rajesh, so I will be changed as he here. Okay, I will be changed as he. Here you is the second person, that refers to Rani, you will be changed as her. Okay, what was the fourth rule? Changing of tense. Here gave is nothing but simple past. Simple past will be changed as past perfect. So had plus V3. What is the V3 form of give? Given. Had given. What was the fifth rule? If there is any specific word related to the time, then change according to the table. Here there are 2 specific words. What are they? This. Change it as that. Last night. Change it to the previous night. Okay, now tell me what's our answer. Okay, here Rajesh told Rani that he had given her that book the previous night. Okay, let's go to another example. Here the teacher said the sun rises in the east. This is called universal truth. In such type of sentences, the tense will not be changed. Okay, take as it is. The teacher said, to remove inverted commas we must use that the sun rises in the east. Okay, now another example. Mohan said my father works 12 hours a day. Mohan said that my will be changed as his father. Here the tense is simple present. It will be changed as simple past. Worked 12 hours a day. Okay. And the second one is imperative type. What is imperative? These are the sentences that they give order or direct command. They may be in the form of advise, suggest, request, urge, order. And here these are the 5 rules to convert imperative to the indirect speech. What are they? First rule, the reporting verb will be changed according to the reported speech here. Okay, if the reported speech is in the form of request, then the reporting verb will be changed to the requested. If the reported speech is in the form of order, the reporting verb will be changed to the ordered. Okay. And the second thing, to remove inverted commas we should use to here. And the third one, the verb should be always in the form of V1. Okay. And the fourth one, if the reported speech is in the negative form, to is replaced with not to or forbade. Okay. And the fifth rule is change in pronoun and time related word. Okay, let's go to the example. Consult a doctor, said Rani. Here what is this? This is reported speech and this reporting speech here. Okay, one thing you should remember, that whether the reporting speech is before the reported speech or after the reported speech, while you're converting to the indirect speech, the reporting speech should be always in front. Okay, now tell me, Rani, what type of sentence is this? Consult a doctor. It is a suggestion. So Rani suggested. To remove inverted commas we should take to. Suggested to consult a doctor. Here there is no pronoun and no time specific word, so write as it is. And the second example, he said to me, please bring your book tomorrow. Here the reported speech is in the form of request. Now we can write as he requested me to. We are not going to take please here. Why? Because we already written here requested, so the please should be omitted. Bring your. This is in second person, so your will be changed to my. He requested me to bring my book tomorrow. Tomorrow will be changed to the next day. Okay. The other example, the teacher said to me, don't make noise in the class. Here the reported speech is in the form of order. Now we can write it as the teacher ordered me. Here don't is in negative form, so we should replace to with not to. Okay, not to make noise in the class. Okay, next example, he said to me not to smoke. This is in negative form. We simply write it as he forbade me to smoke. Okay, these are the assertive and imperative rules while you convert direct to the indirect speech. I hope you all understood. Thank you.